Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel of Pathshala. I am Professor S.P. Singh. I am going to discuss a very important topic of CTET and UPTET, an introduction to child development. In this session, I am going to discuss the concept of development, features of development, concept of growth, maturation and learning, and the difference between growth and development. I will also distinguish between development, maturation and learning. Friends, development is a process which continues throughout the life of an individual. The process of development generally includes the physical, motor, cognitive, language, emotional and social development of the child. The term development is not associated with just any kind of changes, but to those changes that appear in a sequential manner and relatively permanent in nature. This indicates that there is a certain relationship between the quantitative changes that occur in a child so far and the potential changes. The potential changes to a certain extent depend upon the maturity of the changes that occurred so far. Friends, psychologists have discussed different features of development. The development changes are often systematic, progressive, and regular. During the process of advancement from general to specific, simple to complex, and unified to diversified, it follows a set of orders. Development is multidimensional in some areas and is faster than other areas. Development is flexible. An individual can show comparatively sudden improvement as compared to his past rate of development. A favorable environment can bring unexpected improvement in his physical strength, memory, and level of intelligence. Development is both quantitative and qualitative. Along with increasing age, both increase in height and the build-up of ethical values can take place. During adolescence, along with physical development, emotional, social, and cognitive development is also fast. Some children may be more preconscious or aware compared to their age, while the development in some children may be faster. For example, a child in the age of 3 years may speak a sentence of 3 words, while some acquire this capability in the same of 2 years. Growth and development. Although growth and development are synonymous, but according to psychologists, they differ. According to Sorensen, growth is generally increase in body and its parts, such as their weight, increase in size, height, and length. The growth can be measured. It is a change in the quantitative aspects of an individual. Thus, the concept of growth is inherent in development. Generally, it is also seen that in proportion to physical growth, the growth in his efficiency is not proportional in such a state. It can be said that the child has growth, but his development has not taken place. In children, maturation means winning through their development stages. It makes them able to do tasks and things they could not do previously. So, with maturing, there is an enhancement in competency and adaptability. Distinction among development, maturation, and learning. Development is a process consisting of growth, maturation, and learning. Growth indicates changes in physical features of an individual, such as size, length, height, and weight. It is a change in the quantitative aspects of an individual. Maturation concerns to heredity. It is received from specific experiences. Learning is a behavioral change coming out of past experiences. Thus, in this session, we have discussed the concept of development, features of development, distinction between growth, maturation, and learning, distinction between growth and development, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon to receive the notification first.